In this video, I will show you how to fix sound and vibration not working problem on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on sound and vibration option. Scroll down, turn off silent mode, and turn off don't disturb mode. Go back. Step 3. Check vibrate for call, vibrate for silent mode. Turn on vibrate for call and vibrate in silent mode. Check your phone battery saver mode is off. Your phone battery saver mode is on, then turn off your battery saver mode. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to solve how to fix sound and vibration not working problem on Android. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.